This video demonstrates a professional, non-blocking way to send emails from a Python Quart application using background tasks. No extra Python modules needed, just the built-in SMTP lib already included with Python. First, activate your Python virtual environment. Next, install the Quart module. Now, create an app.py file and copy-paste the skeleton code from the official Quart GitHub repository. Remove the unnecessary code from the script. Then start the server using the Quart run command. Now we can see the server is running. In this tutorial, we'll use mailmug.net as a sandbox SMTP server to safely test email sending from our Quart app. No real emails go out. You can switch to any other SMTP server later. The setup stays exactly the same. Now create a send email task function and paste in your SMTP credentials. Add the correct SMTP credentials. You can copy and paste the username and password from Mailmug or use the credentials from your own SMTP server. Here, set debug level is set to 1 to show debug information. You can change it to 0 in production to hide debug output. Next, we'll add a route/API/send email. This is the endpoint that will actually send the email when you hit it. Yes, we need to add the recipient email, sender email, subject, and the email content. Then, add a background task with the send email task callback and provide its parameters. Press Ctrl+C to stop the server. Free up port 5000 if needed. Then restart the server using the Quart run command. Finally, open API/send email in your browser. You'll see a success message, and you can verify the email in your Mailmug dashboard or inbox. That's a wrap. I'm ready to help with Python or PHP projects and take on freelance work. Feel free to reach out at info@mailmug.net.